Hey everybody, it's Sherry. I just wanted to do a quick video. I have this box and I bought it at the dollar store, and it just comes that plain wood color. I don't know what you call it. Anyway, I gessoed it and I painted it all pink inside and out. All of it's all pink. And I just thought I'd do a quick video and say, okay, so I want you to stay tuned to see what else I do with it. I'm going to try my best to shabby this up and make it look absolutely beautiful. I'm probably, maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll do some I don't know. Maybe I'll get a stencil out, do some stenciling on it, or not. I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to go with it yet. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video, like I said, and say, hey, everybody, stay tuned to see what this box is going to look like. All right, have a good day.